Okay, we have 5 minutes delay, so don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, I managed to get 8 gold so far, so it isn't much, but hey.
I think I have returned.
I mean, I have 13 on me, so...
I've got 14 plus these 8, so all we really need is the apples from you guys. But I'm going to keep looking here just in case I find a chest with another golden apple in it or something. Because at this point I feel that is a fair enough expectation. I already found one, so who knows, maybe I'll find more.
It's so unlucky that we found them.
That they found us!
Yeah.
I mean, if we had found them, it would be something, but...
Don't even ask.
Ask
Oh, I
what?
got an apple.
Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 stay away, 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 stay away.
How much gold do you have, Jordan?
None. I threw it all to digital.
Oh, god damn it.
If you heard an explosion, I did not get hurt, I think.
Wait, did you do it with the wolf down there? Did we do that?
We do what? The wolf? No. No, that wasn't us.
That's odd.
Oh no, I'm not going here. This is a bad place.
This is what I think we should do. We should wait on this hill, get apples, and then when meetup comes, we should meet up and go.
Okay, I have another apple. How many do you need, Longa? Because I have 5 gold on me.
I have no clue. I'm currently at 3.5, so...
How much
do the
gold
math.
do you have on you, is what I'm asking.
I think enough for 2 or 3 apples. Let me check. I've got 8 plus 14 is 22. So that's...
Okay, we have enough for 3 apples then. So I need 2 more apples.
Okay.
So
Just
I'll attempt
watch
to do
out.
for you.
Watch out, because the other team has to cross. Alright, the other team's here.
Yellow team?
The other team. You know that team will.
Wait, Yoshiwako's team is here.
Yoshiwako is blue.
Oh god. Yeah, they're here. I'm sorry, Longa.
Just run and survive. If we can meet up at a later point, that's the only way I'm going to get healed. Otherwise, I'm not going to get healed and we stand no chance.
Oh, Nero's dead. Nero's up.
Ah, damn it. There goes our Iron Man.
Nero's at 7.
I
Come on,
just got
Ken.
bombed
No.
with the shit out of by Maxa.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
We got him.
Maxa. Oh my god, Maxa. Oh, GG. We made it to episode 5, so...
You guys made it to episode 5. I might make it to episode 6 because I'm
At
a
least we
coward.
did. Almost killed one.
And
We
we
couldn't
didn't
have won
have
that.
we didn't have enough gold on us to heal either, so...
You were the only hope with your flame sword.
Yeah, and I tried rushing, but I got bow spammed, and then Maxa comboed me.
Yeah, we couldn't have won a bow fight. It's just impossible.
Yeah. Okay, well, I guess thanks for watching on mine and Jordan's perspectives. We hope to see you guys next season.
Yes,
Good luck,
thank you for
Longa.
watching them.
Good luck, Longa, and
Oh,
everybody
just
go
stay
check
here.
out
Stay
Longa.
here for company.
Yeah, I will, but
Moral support.
I'm just sending off my
All right.
video. Check out
Goodbye,
Longa in the
viewers.
video description. Hey, I'm gonna just check my recording.
Watch out.
Wait, are those the only PvP kills so far? By Maxa and Yoshi?
Yeah, yeah, all my footage is still good. That's great.
Fine.
Okay, where are these guys? Not there.
I felt bad because I called it. I knew they had to come past there.
Why did you have to jinx it?
Like, I knew they had to come past there, and then it just said and they came.
No, you completely jinxed us, Jordan.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to head towards 0-0 now. I'm not sure if it is a good plan that I'm following the cobble, because it probably means I'm going to run into them again.
I mean, if you do manage to kill, like, Nero's low.
Well, I've got power 3, so if I can get my aim right, maybe, but that's still a miracle more than I'm willing. Oh, they're distracted. Okay. They just killed phased. They just killed phased.
Yeah, one of them had a flame burst. That was scary.
I didn't even cook my gold because I don't have anything to use it with, so I'm like, whatever. I'm still 700 blocks away from spawn. How close were you guys to spawn when you got deathed?
We
We're
weren't
like
very
200
close.
blocks.
We were,
Like from you, we're 200 blocks from you.
yeah. I don't think we were smart staying there, in all honesty.
There's
No,
no way
you
we could have
weren't.
gone. Like, if we went longer, they're probably still there, waiting for us.
Yeah, oh, you shouldn't have stayed there. You should just have dug in, get some gold or whatever. Or
Yeah, we should go on. We should have like, caved.
you could have cut down the trees, gone down, caved a little bit. Because if they saw the trees, they might just have thought the chunk was unloaded, you know? Okay, I'm afraid this is the spot where you guys said they have to come by here, because this is a very narrow path that goes up a mountain. Is this the place you were talking about?
Did it have trees down, like decaying leaves?
Not that I'm seeing.
Because where we were had decaying leaves.
I'm hearing battle sounds on one of your backgrounds. I'd appreciate it if you could either soften your sounds or not talk, because that's really disheartening. I found a flying crafting bench. Is this where you guys were? I see.
Crafted.
I see some armor that was put down on the ground. Let's see, what is this armor? Protection 1 chest plate. How about I use that protection 1 chest plate to make a protection 2 chest plate? Were you guys on top of a mountain? That's the real question.
Yeah, it was a flat mountain.
Yes, I'm on top of it. There's also a few little strange floating dirt blocks here. I assume this is the place. What did I just pick up? Oh, damn it. I just walked through someone's junk.
They even got my freaking fire aspect, which is the worst part. And now Maxa has half diamond. So yeah, there's that.
This is the way I need to go. I'm going too much in one direction, not enough in the other.
I'm pretty mad I didn't get that kill.
Well, don't expect me to get a kill. I might be snowballing in the arena, but I doubt I'll be doing it here. I just don't have the health to snowball
1v4
with.
clutch to win it.
I mean, I'd love to get the kills, but I honestly can't afford to be cutting down trees at this point. It's too late. We already made up the bonus period, the bonus grace
Just
period.
win it.
It's not gonna happen, but hey.
It is gonna happen. Gotta believe.
I'll believe in clay, but not in Longa. Because the power of God Longa is powered by the faith of his followers. If I lose, it's your fault.
Okay.
Why did I fall in this hole? Why do I have 3 flowers? There we go. I'm not sure if it is a smart move that I'm following other people's blocks, but... Oh, I saw someone on the plains over there. Where did I see these guys? I'm being silent without a good reason, but hey. I don't see them anymore. They probably moved on towards 0. I love your glitchy mic, Digital. Mind muting if you're not talking. Or talk to speech to talk or whatever.
No, I don't have push to talk, but I'm listening to your commentary.
User joined your
I
channel.
love you, Jordan.
Yeah, get out.
User left your channel. User left your channel.
Well, I think, did Nero just die?
Nero is dead, yes. Only Maxa is still alive of blue team.
So Yoshi's dead too then.
Yes. At least I assume they are the only ones. I mean, the kill board doesn't say anything else, so maybe they just disconnected. I don't know.
Well, Nero just joined our channel and started talking, so I'm assuming that...
Yeah, I didn't know who it was that was talking. My settings are out of whack because of the TeamSpeak incident. I don't want to fuss around with it now.
Yeah, I hear what you're...
Okay, I'm at 0x. Now to move on. Might have added at the start too much there. How about no? Too many mobs there.
You know, Laga, I originally thought that all elitists were, like, really rude and such, but you're not like the others.
Who are rude?
What?
Who are rude? Which people?
Like say, like, Dibscraft and like that.
I barely talk to Dibs. I mean, I talk to him once in a while. I get along with him just fine.
But what it seems like is, like, he seems like a real asshole, and you've always been, like, real nice and never fit in with them, with his type of pool.
Okay, just to remind you, you are currently still being recorded because I didn't die. So whatever you say may come back to haunt you.
I'm sorry, Dibs. Just my opinion. That's if Dibs even watches your videos.
Don't think so.
It's probably gonna come back to bite me in the ass anyway.
I think there's one guy up there, but I'm not sure. Where are these guys? Oh wait, I was looking at the wrong coordinates, no wonder.
Going the wrong way?
I wasn't looking, I was still going in the right way, but I thought I was at 0, 0 and I'm still 200 blocks out. I was looking at my Y instead of my Z.
Oh, dear God.
Hey, I was looking right, I was just so focused on my surroundings to make sure I didn't get jumped.
Ow.
I don't want to get backstabbed again, for obvious reasons. Okay, now I need to go. No, this is the wrong one. Or is it? No, I'm still good. I'm looking at the wrong coordinate again. What the fuck is it? It's because all the coordinates are currently in the 100, so I'm like, oh yes, this is a valid number.
Okay.
But I'm just being an idiot. Okay, where are the enemies? Currently at 120 minus 90, so I should be getting close, you know?
Yeah, you should start seeing people really soon now.
Okay, so this is where it is. Oh, I see 18 queues.
Oh, that's not someone you want to run into, actually.
Yeah, that entire team is at 0, 0. I want to see if I can wait for Maxa to cause a bit of trouble. Oh, I see him over there. He's currently in the midst of a battle.
Backstab?
That's what I'm considering, yes. They came this way. Okay, they see me.
Guess it's time to start shooting.
Nah, I'm going in for melee. And I'm dead.
Well,
yeah, I was a 2-hit anyway. I was like, I'll just try to go for the melee for the style. Because I'm no good with arrows on distance. I'm no good. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. I pretty much knew it was this way. I counted totally on Maxa to keep them busy, but it was not the case. Oh well.
it was great teaming with you, Longa.
Yeah, likewise. I'm sorry I couldn't do much at the end. I was on top of a giant cliff and I had to walk down, and one of them looked around right as I came down towards them. I was really hoping to backstab at least one of them, alas.
Yeah, like, we had some funny times in that game, so
Yeah,
it was all
definitely.
worthwhile.
It was funny. Hier op zit meer daar. Senior, dit is nog maar op zet.
That's got
Of dat me wat slimmen. Heel knurksie. Herde van me is ja wat. Holborst voor de bezorgd met de schaamhof die nee ja voor is het nog wel. Where is the meat grass not today?
Tails, Cowies. Nee, no, Runo, we must know that. Ooh.
Zoet niet eens hel. Zit erop zit dus ja klaar.
I'm still roofing me. Yeah.
Maar niet zo wel. Niet dat ik plus ja was niet niet aan zijn ja mis net nog daar heel knurk. Zie je me niet. Weer qua.